In the fast-growing world of digital currencies, opportunities to earn free crypto are becoming increasingly popular. One of the most exciting trends right now is crypto airdrops, promotions that allow users to claim free tokens without spending a single dollar. Imagine getting $50 worth of cryptocurrency directly into your wallet, no deposits, no trading, no hidden fees. Sounds too good to be true? Let's explore how it works and how you can benefit safely. What is a crypto airdrop? A crypto airdrop is a marketing strategy used by blockchain projects to distribute free tokens to early users, community members, or anyone who completes small online tasks. These projects often want to raise awareness, attract new users, or reward loyal supporters. All you need is a crypto wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, and sometimes completing a few quick steps such as following the project's social media pages or joining their Telegram group. How can you claim $50 in free crypto? Many new blockchain startups and decentralized finance (DeFi) platforms offer welcome bonuses or referral rewards. By signing up through a special link or completing a simple verification process, you can receive free crypto valued up to $50 instantly. Some examples include new exchanges, NFT platforms, and decentralized trading apps that want to grow their user base fast. Here's how the process usually works. Create a wallet. Set up a secure wallet that supports the token, e.g., Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Join the airdrop campaign. Visit the project's official website or community channels. Complete the tasks. These can include joining Discord, following on Twitter, or retweeting a post. Submit your wallet address. Enter your crypto address to receive the tokens. Claim your free crypto. Once verified, your wallet will receive the tokens, often within minutes or days. Why do companies give away free crypto? You might wonder why anyone would give away free money. The answer is marketing and community growth. By distributing tokens for free, new crypto projects create awareness, encourage usage, and attract investors. It's similar to how apps give new users sign-up bonuses, except here, the rewards can increase in value over time as the project grows. Is it safe? While many airdrops are legitimate, there are also scams that ask for private keys or deposits. To stay safe, never share your wallet's private key or recovery phrase. Avoid airdrops that ask for payments. Join only verified and trusted crypto projects. Use a separate wallet for airdrop participation. The potential reward. Some users who claimed early airdrops, like Uniswap, Uni, or Arbitrum, ARB, earned hundreds or even thousands of dollars just by participating early. Getting $50 in free crypto today could be worth much more in the future if the project succeeds. Final thoughts. Earning $50 in free crypto with no investment is one of the easiest ways to get started in the crypto world.